What's up, guys? Rodney here with the Crypto Bros. And what an exciting day we had today in the crypto world. A lot of first timers getting in, a ton of action in the market. There's been so many videos on YouTube talking about the new highs and big pullbacks and the drops and everything else. Everybody flooding in. Coinbase, GDAX going down. What a crazy day. But it was good, man. It was super good. A lot of people, especially people that I know, reached out for the very first time. They are buying cryptocurrencies. They're setting up a Coinbase account. They're getting their Exodus wallet set up. I felt like today was just a huge step in the right direction for cryptocurrencies. I'll get into all that in a minute. First thing that we're actually going to do is we're just going to quick take a peek at what we got going on Hextracoin. Last couple days have been dynamite, guys. 11.29, 1.57%. Tomorrow, 1.84% on or return on investment on your money. Now, since we have over $1,010 initially invested, we do get that bump. It's a 0.15, so that literally almost puts us at 2% payout tomorrow on our cash. That's awesome. And then Friday, we're coming in with a strong 1.68%. I'm super thrilled here. Let's take a look at my journey. On our big investment here, we are at 13 days in of the 179 that we do have our money lent out. As I said, we are at the 0.15% daily bump because we hit the 1,010% threshold. So or $1,010 mark threshold to get that bump. So that's all good. And if you look up what we've done, man, we've almost done $200 in interest. We do have some affiliate commissions in here as well from people joining the team, getting in on the platform. That's awesome. Thank you, guys. That link is below. It's also right here. Crypto-bros. If you do sign up on a Hextracoin account, definitely stay tuned to the channel. I'll be sharing all of my strategies. Yesterday, I went really, really in depth with what I'm doing with my investments and why, especially with the release of Hextracoin Gold, which is coming up. But man, we're doing good. Almost 200 bucks in 13 days, no complaints. And actually, while we're running this thing, I have a $1.57 here. We are just going to transfer this into our Hextracoin wallet. Accrued portfolio, all in, transfer, and we're just going to confirm that rate at $26.27. Confirm, and we're okay. Look at that. Beautiful thing. I guess I better get my face back up here. So anyway, one of the questions that I got today was about the Hextracoin price. So it's at $26. Someone asked me if I was worried in terms of the Hextracoin price going down. I'm actually not. I'm not worried at all. I like the volatility because the payouts are better, but even more so, that means I can buy more Hextracoin with my daily payouts. And the reason I'm buying more Hextracoin is so that when Hextracoin Gold gets released, I have more invested in the platform, which means they give me more Hextracoin Gold. So it's a 2-to-1 ratio, as I've said before. So if I have, as of right now, I have 10 coins, I'd need to invest all of these back into the platform. They would give me 5 coins on top of this, and there's roughly 40 coins in my total investment. So I'd be looking at 25 coins total, valued at 30 bucks a piece, is $750 that I could then re-lend out and gain daily commissions on. So all very cool here. I will get out of Hextracoin. I know you guys are tired of hearing about it, but super great platform. Not too late to get in. Next thing, the Facebook page. If you guys want to get in, follow what I'm doing. Posted some updates today. I mean, look at this right here. At one point, Bitcoin was at $11,372.33. It did have a pullback, and actually, this screenshot is pretty representative of the all-time highs here of all the daily payouts. I think Ethereum went up to 518, 516-ish today, but really, this pretty much sums up where we were for most of the day here. So, really good day. The thing is, everybody got in today, and man, I keep disappearing. Everybody got in today, and the bad thing is that when we saw this big surge in, obviously the price of most of the big 3 cryptocurrencies and even some of the altcoins skyrocketed. So a lot of people were buying in at $10,000, $10,500, $11,000 dollars per Bitcoin, and we saw this huge pullback. And actually, we can all go check it out over here on Coinbase. This isn't my favorite. To actually look at the charts, but we can see this big pullback here from basically $11,300 to at one point all the way at 94, and even on some of the other exchanges it hit $8,500. So right here we're at 89. So there was a ton of panic. So for first-time investors, you guys have to remember volatility for this is good. What you're doing is you're getting in, you're collecting Bitcoin. Unless you're day trading, and I guarantee if you bought on Coinbase today and it was the first time you got in and set up your wallet, you weren't day trading. So don't freak out. I saw a lot of Facebook groups, first-time buyers go in, buy $1,000 and then panic when their $1,000, $1,100 investment dropped down to 800 bones. You can't think that way. You only lose money when you sell it back. So sit on that. You're fine. It's okay. It's gonna creep back up. Today went literally insane. GDX was down. Coinbase was down. The whole day was pretty insane. So yeah, do not panic here. It's a good thing. Sit on your coins. Don't sell them. Whatever you bought. I know people bought Litecoin and Ethereum too, not just Bitcoin. It was a really huge day for the crypto world. So moving on, the next coin that I'm actually going to get into is IOTA. If you just kind of look at these three headings right here and the backing and the things that are going to be involved, I think this is a super good long-term play. We can actually switch over to, let's just open a new tab. We'll switch over to CoinMarketCap, and we will see how much it is. It was $1 and some change. We're at $1.38 right now, and it's down. So if you can get in and buy this, I think this is a really good long-term hold. Again, none of this is financial advice on my end. This is just my opinion, but I will be picking up some of this, and I will be sitting on it. I just think there is a lot of upside with this coin. Moving on. Quick touch on BitConnect. Rough day, man. Rough day on these payouts. So 1129, sorry guys, 1129. We got a 1.20 payout. Awesome. I'm not understanding this fully here. 54% tomorrow, and there's been a ton of volatility in Bitcoin. And then on December 1, we are at literally not even at 0.2%. So I'm still a big fan of BitConnect, but man, we are just missing some of the marks here that I want to be at as compared to Hextracoin. So again, I don't think it's too late at all to get in on Hextracoin. And no, I don't care that the price of the Hextracoin itself is dropping. That means I can buy more. That's a good thing. Anyway, out of here with BitConnect. I think that's all I had today. Actually, one last thing. So again, going back to Bitcoin, we covered a lot of things, but man, if you were to search some of the headlines that are coming out today, right? Yesterday I showed you the Google Trends and the Bitcoin search volume surging. There's just so much media coverage in backing this right now that I was expecting to see, this huge surge. But at the same time, man, there's going to be some pullback. And actually, I thought we would dip a lot lower than 10K, which we're currently sitting at. And I think we're going to go down. I think we'll see a little consolidation, but I think we're going to see some pullback. And I've seen some crazy things today. I've seen people say we'd pull back all the way into the 7,000s. I've seen, stuff that says that we are going to consolidate and rebuild support 95, 10K. It's been all over the place. A lot of different traders always pitch in. So you got to do some research for yourself. But I think long term, man, there's just some big things to go. So look, NASDAQ plans to let investors bet on Bitcoin's rise and fall. That's on NASDAQ. That's huge. The Chicago trading platform is also doing something. Here's another one. NASDAQ plans to launch Bitcoin futures in the first half of 2018. All these posts, these are basically what we're seeing is large corporate money getting into this. So if you can kind of get in now, collect. So don't worry about, if you lost money today. Collect your Bitcoin. When some of these large players come in, we're going to see the price of Bitcoin rise. There's even that one dude, I can't think of his name right off the top of my head. He has the software program that protects your computer. Man, yeah, McAfee. This guy today, we'll just look it up. This guy today said, oh man, he said Bitcoin was going to skyrocket to, oh, there it is. John McAfee. I don't read well, I don't type well, I don't spell well, so I'm sorry. I think it's McAfee, but he's putting this up to $1 million for one Bitcoin by 2020. This dude's also made some other predictions that has been, I don't want to say fairly bold, but other predictions that he's actually kind of been spot on. So a lot of crazy things, man. So that's why I'm just saying, if you can get in now, just buy and collect, buy and collect. Do not worry about the fluctuations. Don't even look at it. It's like 401k or something like that. You don't look at that besides once a quarter, maybe even less. So anyway, a lot of cool things going on. Anyway, guys, I know I'm talking fast, but I was trying to keep this semi-short. I did not succeed. So cool thing. So check it out. Continue to educate yourself. If you have questions, holler at me. There's a lot of cool things that you can do in the crypto world. So that's all I got, man. Have a great Wednesday night, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. See ya.